For my professional experience, I interned with a prosthetic clinic in Salt Lake City. They specialize in upper limb and 3D printing prosthetics, which is really close to my heart. I've done a lot of work with 3D printing, and so that was a perfect place for me to combine that interest with my other passion of medicine and helping the individual person. And so half the time I worked directly with the patients in the clinic, and the other half was in the back lab, designing, printing, and modifying the prosthetics for the patients. It prepared me for life after Carolina in the way I approach situations and planning experiences. I went into the summer with this overarching idea of I will be interning in a prosthetic clinic, and really over the summer I explored what that meant to me and how it impacted me personally. Morehead-Cain has allowed me to explore my interests in ways that are totally unique. The professional experience summer really allows scholars to explore something that they might be interested in, or maybe a different area than what they're interested in, and really understand how they feel about that particular area. For me, it was really impactful because I was able to decide on a pretty large decision in my college career, and it was just an incredible experience.